You are the cause of my troubles. You are the cause of my bad luck. You are the cause of my tragedy. You are the kryptonite. You are the devil. When my forefathers met your forefathers, they welcomed them. They received them with a warm embrace. They shared love and compassion, seeing visitors came to their land. They never saw them as strangers, even though they were. They never treated them as foreigners, even though they were. Your forefathers took advantage of my forefathers' gullibility. They took advantage of their innocence. They thought they were stupid. Your forefathers asked my forefathers to let them pray. They brought the Bible with them, and when my forefathers closed their eyes, they took away their lands and gave them the Bible. They took away their brains and gave them religion. They looted their resources and left them in abject poverty. Then came a shock, the greatest crime in all of human history. Your forefathers made my forefathers slaves and smuggled them to distant lands for hard labor and plantations. The scars of that suffering are still visible even today. The slavery and colonization are still what I'm battling with, along with my fellow Africans. God forbid my children and children's children partake in all of this. God forbid this wickedness continues in their own time. I will stand and take action. I will stand to bring the change I want. I will make the move I need. I will no longer put the blame on you or your forefathers. I will put the blame on myself if I don't act. I've got to move. I've got to change the status quo and liberate my people and my race from the shackles of your people and your race. I know it won't be easy, but I know it will be done. I know it will be a fight between life and death. I know it will be a fight between truth and lies. I know it will be a fight between justice and injustice. I know it will be a fight between light and darkness. And I know it will be a fight between righteousness and wickedness. Listen to me. Now the world has changed and things no longer remain the same. The old life is gone. The new life has come. The old regime and authority are gone. The new regime and authority are here. If you think you can play the old tricks on me, you have failed. And if you think you can win as your forefathers did, you have made a mistake. Because now I've girded my loins. I have prepared myself for all possible scenarios, and I will fight to the last breath in my nostrils. I will conquer injustice and discrimination, and I will end all humiliation and dehumanization. Just so you know, I'm ready, and I will win this battle, so God help me. Sapiens, MD, November 2024. Read next, A Homeland Worth Fighting For. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.getmybooks on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgojmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 2. Africa's nuclear weapon. 3. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. L1. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.